Hello friends! Ever feel like the stock market is a game only for the rich? What if I told you that you could start your investing journey and begin growing your money with just $100? Yes, you heard that right, only $100. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. And hey, if you're serious about making your money work for you, hit that subscribe button right now for more tips just like this. Ready? Let's dive in. The very first thing you need to do is open a brokerage account. Don't let the fancy name scare you. It's basically a special account for buying and selling stocks. The best part? Most are completely free to open online, and it only takes a few minutes. Look for well-known, beginner-friendly apps that have low or no minimum deposit requirements. There are tons of great options out there that let you start with just a few dollars. Okay, account open. Great. But hold on, don't just throw your money in yet. Step 2 is the most important. Learn the basics. You wouldn't drive a car without learning how, right? Investing is the same. Spend a little time understanding simple terms like what a stock is, what dividends are, and what an ETF is. There are countless free guides and videos just like this one that break it all down. Remember, in the world of investing, knowledge isn't just power, it's your best defense. Now for the fun part, actually investing your $100. You might be thinking, but popular stocks cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per share. This is where fractional shares come in. It's a game changer. Fractional shares allow you to buy a small piece of a company's stock instead of the whole thing. So if a share of your favorite company costs $500, you can still invest your $10 or $20 and own a slice of it. This lets you invest in the big names without needing big money. Here's a pro tip for starting out. Instead of picking just one company, consider diversifying with an ETF. Think of an ETF or exchange-traded fund as a basket containing stocks from many different companies. By buying just one share of an ETF, your $100 is instantly spread across a wide range of businesses. This is a brilliant way to lower your risk, especially when you're just starting. Because if one company in the basket does poorly, the others can help balance it out. Finally, the secret sauce to successful investing is patience and consistency. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not going to get rich overnight. The key is to think long term, and if you can, try to add a little more to your account regularly, even if it's just $10 or $20 a month. This habit of consistent investing, no matter how small, is what builds real wealth over time. So there you have it. Starting your stock market journey with $100 isn't just a dream. It's totally achievable. Take that first step, open your account, and plant the seed for your financial future. If you found this guide helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Subscribe for more content and share this with anyone you know who wants to start growing their wealth. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.